Question number 6. I will read the question. How many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5? 3-digit natural number starting. 99 is a 2-digit number. Then after 100 is the 3-digit number. Means starting from 100. 3-digit which is divisible. 100 is divisible by 5. After that 101 is not divisible by 5. 102 is also not. So 105 is the next number which is divisible by 5. Then 110 and so on. The last number is what? 990. It is also divisible by 5. Again 995 and the 1000. But 1000 is a 4-digit number. So last number is what? 995. So we get the values of T1 100, T2 105, T3 110 and so on up to 995. So we get the value of Tn. Value of T1 is what? 995 because the 995 is the last number which is a 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. So we are solving by using a formula again. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we does not find out this term Tn, but the value of n. How many terms? Means how many terms? Means n is equal to how many? We want to find out the value of n. So by putting the values Tn, what is the value of Tn? 995. On the right left hand side, they are writing here plus A. What is the A? T1 is also called as A. So A value is 100 plus n minus 1. We does not know the value of n. So n minus remain as it is into T. What is the difference? We are finding out the difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1 means 105 minus 100 is equal to what? 5. So we get the difference. D is equal to 5. So we put this difference here. We put this difference here in this given equation. Therefore, by calculating it, 100 get transferred here. 100 get transferred here. Means 995, 100 is a plus. So by changing the sign right to the left, so it will become minus. N minus 1 remains as it is, 5 remains as it is. So by taking a difference, what is the difference between these two? 895 is equal to what? N minus 1 into 5. Here 5 is multiplied. So we make the division by changing the side from right to the left. 895 divided by 5, n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1. Then by dividing by 5, 5 ones are 5. Again 5 ones are 5. 3 remain from 8. 9 carried 5. 5 sevens are 35. 4 remain. There is a 45. 5 nines are 45. So we get 179 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 from right to the left, it will become a plus. 179 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, by adding it, we get the value of n. What is the value of? We get n is equal to 180. Question number 6 and 8 are similar. So we are solving the question number 7 after it. Question number 8. Each term of an AP 11 sequence is given. 8, 5 and so on. If minus 151 means minus 151 इस AP में और सीक्वेंस में कौन से नंबर पे आएगा? Means we want to find out this number position. So in a solution, again T1 is equal to A is equal to first term is equal to what? 11. Then we want to calculate the difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. So What is the value of T2? 8 minus 11. What is the difference? 11 minus 8, 3. Higher number sign is a minus. So we get the value of T is equal to minus. T is equal to what? Minus 3. Means we know the value of A is equal to 11 and D is equal to minus 3. So by putting this in a given formula, I write here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But here the Tn value is given. What is the Tn value? Tn is equal to minus 151. So by putting this value, Tn is equal to what? Minus 151 is equal to, what is the value of A? What is the value of A? 11. Plus, we does not know the value of n. So it is n minus 1. And what is the difference? D is equal to what? Minus 3. D is equal to what? Minus 3. Again, minus 151. This 11 get transferred here. It will be minus 11 is equal to what? N minus 1 into minus 3. Into, this is the into minus 3. So we are writing a bracket. Okay. Then minus 151 minus 11. What is it? Both are the same sign. So we are taking the addition. What is the addition? 1 plus 1 2. Means minus 162 is the addition and the higher number sign is the minus. Is equal to what? N minus 1 into what? Minus 3. Then this minus 3 is multiplied on the right hand side. By transferring the side, it will divided. Means minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to what? N minus 1. Minus into minus. Minus divided by minus, it will become a plus. And we are dividing to the 162 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 12. And 1 remain. 3 4s are 12. So plus 54. There is no need to write the sign. Only a 54 is equal to what? N minus 1. By transferring 1 on the left hand side, it will become a plus is equal to what? N. Therefore 54 plus 1 is a 55 is equal to N. Therefore we get the value of N is equal to what? 55. Means what? Means what? The number minus 151 comes on which position? 55th position. You know, 55th position. Thank you. We are going to question number 7. The 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find out the 41st term of an AP. Means 11th term is given. 11th term. What is the 11th term given? Is equal to what? 16. And 21 term. 21 term. What is the value of a 21 term? 29. So find out the 41st term. We do not know the value of n. We don't know. Here is the AP is not given, sequence is not given, so we does not calculate the value. We does not know the value of A, D and N. So by using only this, what will be given here? Here is the 11th term. 11th term means again we are using the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 11th term means N is equal to what? 11. 11th term means N is equal to what? 11. What is it? Their value 16. Means T11 is what? T11 is what? 16. By putting the values in this given formula, Tn is equal to what? 16. T11 is what? 16. Plus A is not, we does not know. Then N is what? Here is the N is what? 11. This 11 minus 1 into we does not know the value of D. So 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10 D. So we get the simultaneous, suppose we are calculating as a simultaneous equation after two variables. So we get the equation number first. Then T20 21st term. is given. What is that? 29. So again by using this formula, T n is value is what here? 21, not 20, 29. Tn is equal to Tn value. T21 value is what here? 29. So 29 is equal to A plus, what is the value of n here? N is equal to what? 21. So n minus 1 means 21 minus 1. We does not know the value of D. Again 29 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1, 21 minus 1, 20. D. So we get the second simultaneous equation here. So we get the first and the second equation. So by elimination method, to solving the simultaneous equation, we subtract the equation number first from equation number second. So we are writing here 16 is equal to A plus 10 D. It is the equation first by subtraction, means we are changing the sign, minus, and here is also a minus. Then 29 minus 16, 13. Bigger number having a positive sign. Minus A minus A, it will a 0 plus 20 minus 10, 20 minus, because we are giving first sign is remain as it is, but we are taking here the change sign, means minus 10. Both are the different signs. So 20 minus 10, it will be a 10D. So 13 is equal to what? 10D. This 10 goes on that side, left hand side, it will become a D. It will get divided. Means 13 upon 10 is equal to what? D. Therefore, D is equal to, we give a decimal. When any number is a divisible by 10, we are using a decimal point. Means after one digit, we are writing, giving a decimal point here. So what is the value of D? We get minus 1.3. But we does not know the value of A. So by putting D in any equation, so here we are putting in a first equation A plus 10 D. This is the equation number first. So D is what? D is what? We do not know its value. 10 into D means 1.3. 10 into 1.3. 16 is equal to A plus 10 into 1.3 means this decimal point was here, means 130 into 10, and by multiplying it and giving the decimal sign, we get the 10 into 1.3 is equal to 13. So by transferring this 13 from right hand to the left, sign will get changed. So it is a 13 minus 13 is equal to what? A. 16 minus 13 is what? 3 is equal to what? A. So we get the value of A is equal to what? 3. A is equal to 3. So by solving it, we get the value. We do not know the value of A and D, but by solving it, by using this information, we are finding out the value of A is equal to 3 and D is equal to what? 1.3. So we want to calculate the 41st term. Means n is equal to what? 41. Means here again putting in the given equation, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the value of which term value we want to find out? 41 term, means n is equal to what? 41. Therefore T41 is equal to A. What is the value of A given here? 3 plus n's value is 41, means 41 minus 1. What is the value of T given here? 1.3 multiplied by 1.3. Therefore T41 is equal to 3 plus 41 minus 1. It will come a 40 into what? 1.3. So 3 plus, by multiplying it, we will get the 520 and one decimal point, means here is a decimal point. So 3 plus 52 Therefore, T41 is equal to 55. We get the value of a 41 term. 41 term is what? 55. 6, 8 and 9 examples are similar. You will try to solve the example 9. We are going to solve the question number 10. The 17th term of an AP. The 17th term of an AP is a 7 more than the 10 term. Is 7 more than the 10 term. We start 10 term. Means condition is given. I will read here. The 17th term of an AP is a 7 more than the 10 term. Find out the common difference. Means 17 term में क्या है? 10 term से 7 से ज़्यादा है. So firstly we are again using the formula. This formula is very important. T1 is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So 17 term T17 is equal to what? A plus 17 minus 1 D. Means T17 is equal to what? A plus 16 D. We get the value of T17 is what? A plus 16. Similarly, we are calculating the 10 term. Means T10 is equal to A plus what is the value of N? 10 minus 1 into we do not know value of D. So we get the A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. Means we get the 10th term here, A plus 9D. The relation between these two is what? The 17th term is a mod. 17th term is a mod. Means A plus 16D is a mod. Means A बड़ी होगी. किससे बड़ी होगी वो? T10 से. Means A plus 9D. And how many? Plus 7. Okay. Therefore, we are writing this. Then by eliminating this, both are the unequal to sign, both are the same, so it will get subtractors A minus M, it will get cancelled. 16D remains as it is. Minus 9 comes from right to the left, it will become a minus, and 7 remain as it is. 16 minus 9, it will have 7. D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 upon 7 means we get the value of a D is equal to what? 1. We get the value of a D is equal to 1. And this is our answer. They ask the common difference D is equal to what? 1. The common difference D is equal to what? 1. Thank you.